Alright guys, welcome back to Shug and Alan's Travel Channel. Today we are going to give you a room tour of Carnival Firenze, room 7470, which is an interior tour. And lo and behold, there is my assistant, Shug. Okay, so start off here. Muster station for this room is D3. You've got your light switch right here. You've got the card. They give you a card automatically. That's got to be in there in order to turn the lights on. So old school, you used to have to put your room key. Now they give you one of those. All your safety information. You've got your snoozing in case you want to have some peace and quiet. Hang that on your door outside. Got a couple of cabinets right here. So we got a full-length mirror. Got your life vest down there. You've got some hangers. You got some jackets. No, I'm sorry, those are theirs. Miami Dolphins. Just had to show that. Don't click off just because I showed you Miami Dolphins. All right, we have a couple of shelves here. And you got your safe. You've got some drawers down here, spacious. Got 3 of those. And behind us over here, we've got your restroom. You've got a light switch right here for it to turn it off and on. Coming inside, you've got your shower. No dreaded shower curtain, that's just awesome. You've got inside your removable shower head, adjusting the height. You've got your shower gel and shampoo. Got your towels. You've got a fold-out mirror here to check yourself out before you go out for the night. You got some shelves and a plug. You've got your mirror here. Hello. With lights on it. You've got your sink. Some more shelves over here with some drinking glasses. And if you use it, you have a shelf down here with a trash can. Coming out of there, we've got a vanity with a light.
Yes. Then you also have your stateroom phone right here. And then on this wall is where you have your outlets, European and American. Top drawer, you have your standard hair dryer.
All right.
You have a little pull-out chair to sit on.
Okay, a little stool. What do we got over here?
And then over here you have your TV.
Good sized TV, looks like maybe a 40-inch. Does not adjust, it's not, you can't pull it out, but you can see it from both sides of the bed.
And then you got some more extra shelving right here. And then here is your refrigerator. Okay.
Refrigerator slash cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah, this happens to be an adjoining room, so if you happen to come with another party, this is an adjoining room. And you've got your king size bed. Over here, you've got a couple more USB ports on this side. You've got 2 nightstands that both have storage underneath. And let's show you guys the room from the other side. That is the room from the other side. So not a bad sized room for an interior room. So thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel, and hit that like button for us. And we will see you on our next adventure.